When it comes to maintaining a clean home, especially with pets or kids, having a reliable spot cleaner is essential. This Shark StainStriker portable spot, stain, and odor eliminator promises to be the solution to all your stain woes. Boasting powerful suction, innovative cleaning technology, and versatile functionality, this portable cleaner aims to tackle the toughest stains and odors across various surfaces in your home and car. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Shark StainStriker to help you determine if it's the right choice for your cleaning needs. Why choose the Shark StainStriker? 1. Unmatched cleaning power. With 20x more stain striking power compared to other spot cleaners, the dual-activated Oxy formula ensures deep and thorough cleaning. 2. Powerful suction. The strongest suction in its class pulls out dirt and liquid embedded deep within your carpets and upholstery, ensuring a comprehensive clean. 3. Ideal for pet owners. Specifically designed to eliminate tough pet odors and stains, making it perfect for homes with pets. 4. Portable and lightweight, easy to carry and store, allowing for quick and convenient cleaning sessions wherever needed. 5. Versatile accessories, equipped with various tools to handle different cleaning scenarios, from tight crevices to large spills. The Shark StainStriker is designed to eliminate the toughest stains and odors with its dual-activated solution that doesn't require any premixing. This innovative technology combines two unique formulas to create a powerful oxy cleaning solution, delivering 20x more stain-striking power. Whether you're dealing with food spills, pet accidents, or embedded dirt, the StainStriker promises to handle it all, leaving your carpets, rugs, upholstery, and car interiors looking and smelling fresh. One of the standout features of the Shark StainStriker is its powerful suction capability. This spot cleaner is engineered to pull out liquid and dirt embedded deep within your carpets and upholstery, making them look like new again. The strong suction power ensures that even the most stubborn stains and odors are effectively removed, providing a thorough clean that standard cleaners might miss. Pet owners will particularly appreciate the Shark StainStriker. It's specifically designed to eliminate pet odors instantly and permanently, including challenging issues like pet urine and smoke. This makes it an ideal tool for households with pets, ensuring that your home remains clean and odor-free despite the occasional accident or spill. Weighing in at under 9 pounds, the Shark StainStriker is both lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around your home or take to your car for interior cleaning. Its compact design allows for convenient storage when not in use, so you can keep it tucked away until you need it. This portability ensures that you can quickly address spills and stains as they happen, preventing them from setting in and becoming more difficult to remove. The Shark StainStriker comes with a variety of tools and accessories to enhance its versatility and effectiveness. Included in the package are: integrated crevice tool, perfect for reaching tight spaces and corners where stains can hide. 3.5 inches reversible bristle tool, ideal for scrubbing tough stains from upholstery and carpets. 7.7-inch wide path tool, covers larger areas, making it efficient for cleaning bigger spills and stains. Pet tool, designed specifically for removing pet hair and odors. Hose clean tool, ensures your hose stays clean and free of debris. 16 Oz Deep Clean Pro Formula, a powerful cleaning solution for deep cleaning tasks. 32 Oz Oxy Multiplier Formula, enhances the cleaning power of the StainStriker for tough stains. These tools and accessories make the StainStriker a versatile cleaning solution for a variety of applications, from household carpets and upholstery to car interiors and pet beds. The unique dual-activated cleaning formula sets the Shark StainStriker apart from other spot cleaners. By precisely fusing two powerful formulas, it unleashes the power of Oxy for on-contact stain cleaning. This means you get an unstoppable cleaning solution that works immediately upon application, making stain removal faster and more efficient. The Shark StainStriker is designed with user convenience in mind. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it easy to maneuver, while the intuitive controls ensure that anyone can use it effectively without a steep learning curve. The inclusion of onboard tool storage keeps everything you need within reach, so you can switch between tools quickly and efficiently as you move from one task to another. The Shark StainStriker Portable Spot, Stain, and Odor Eliminator is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with frequent stains and odors. Its powerful suction, innovative cleaning formula, and versatile accessories make it an indispensable addition to any home, especially for pet owners. By providing professional-grade cleaning results in a compact and user-friendly package, the StainStriker ensures that your home remains spotless and fresh, no matter the mess. Conclusion: investing in the Shark StainStriker Portable Spot, Stain, and Odor Eliminator is a smart choice for those seeking a reliable and effective cleaning solution. Its unmatched stain and odor elimination capabilities, combined with its user-friendly design and powerful suction, make it a standout product in the realm of portable cleaners. Whether you're tackling pet messes, food spills, or everyday dirt, the StainStriker has the power and versatility to keep your home clean and inviting. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.